We are diving straight into fixing the PayPal error where the system says we are having trouble making sure it is you. This specific error pops up because PayPal's internal fraud detection system has gone into a defensive crouch. It usually triggers when there is a sudden change in your network, a mismatched phone plan, or too many login attempts in a short period. Before trying to log in again, we need to clear this security block by adjusting a few settings. The first step is to check your internet connection and browser environment. If you are using a VPN or an aggressive ad blocker, turn it off completely. Hiding your IP address makes you look like a suspicious entity trying to bypass regional security, which forces PayPal to block the login attempt. Next, open a private or incognito window, or try a completely different web browser entirely, like moving from Chrome to Safari or Firefox. Doing this ensures old, corrupted tracking cookies are not causing a digital glitch during the security check. If you are stuck on a desktop browser, grab your mobile phone and try logging in via the official PayPal mobile app instead. The important thing is to make sure the app has camera permissions enabled. PayPal's system sometimes tries to trigger a quick identity or facial scan to verify it is you, and if those permissions are blocked, the login fails without explaining why. Now, if you have tried to log in multiple times in a row and keep getting this error, you need to follow the 72-hour reset rule. Stop hitting the login button. Every time you attempt to log in while the system is suspicious, you unknowingly reset an invisible lockout timer. Walk away from the account for at least 24 to 72 hours. Do not attempt to log in, reset your password, or request codes during this window. Once the system cools down, it will usually clear the automated flag. Another major culprit is a data mismatch on your phone plan. When PayPal tries to send a text verification code, it cross-references your phone number with public utility and cellular databases. If you are on a family mobile plan where you are not the primary account holder, or if your name is spelled slightly differently on your phone bill than on your PayPal account, the automated check fails. In my case, I had to contact my mobile carrier to ensure short code text messaging was fully enabled, as some carriers block the automated numbers PayPal uses to text codes. If you have waited it out and cleared your cache but still see the message, you need human intervention. Since you cannot log in to use the standard chat, reach out to them publicly on social media, like their official support page on X or Facebook. Their social media support teams can route identity verification issues to real human agents much faster than the main phone lines. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.